What I need to know before starting to solve the cube. Rubik's Cube is a 26-piece puzzle. There are 3 types of pieces: 8 corner pieces, 12 edge pieces, and 6 center pieces. Corner piece has 3 different color stickers on it. Edge piece has 2 different color stickers. Centerpiece has 1 color sticker on it. The core is inside of the Rubik's Cube, which holds all the pieces together and is attached to the centerpieces with rotatable axes. The centerpieces are part of the core and are already solved. The solving process is actually bringing all corner and edge pieces to the already solved centerpieces. For example, the red centerpiece will always be opposite to the orange centerpiece. It doesn't matter how hard you will try to scrambling the cube, it will just stay that way.
Let's get started.
Create a daisy flower. Find the yellow centerpiece and you're ready to start solving the first layer. Okay, here it is. Make the daisy flower on the yellow face. The yellow face has the yellow centerpiece. One edge piece is already here. Move the 4 white edges to the yellow face. That's how we make a daisy flower. And the color of the corner stickers doesn't matter at this point. Here is another edge. 3 edges are done and 1 is missing. And here it is. We have found the last one as well. Move those 4 white edges to the white face and line them up with the blue, red, green and orange center dots. So here is our daisy flower, and it has, as you can see, 4 edge pieces. Every edge piece has 2 colors. So let's see, all I have to do is to match my other color, blue in this case, to another centerpiece, which has to be blue in this case. And then I just turn it all the way on the opposite side. I will find another edge which has white and orange. So orange goes next to the orange centerpiece, and what I do is to turn all on the opposite side. I will repeat the same thing with the other two edges. Arrange all the white corner pieces to finish the first face. So here we have our white cross, and we need to find the right corner pieces and get them to the right places. So first of all, I'm looking for the right corner piece from the opposite layer. So I need to find the corner from the opposite layer of my white cross. Once I have found it, I need to find the centerpiece that will match the color of my corner. Let's try if it will be in the right place here. And as you can see, that will be the perfect place for this corner piece, but we can't leave it just there because otherwise we don't have any more our cross. The first thing we need to do is to turn the top layer so one of the top edge pieces match the second layer's centerpiece color. Which one of these is your situation? Situation number 1. Situation number 2. Situation number 3. Situation number 4. Well, you're lucky. Perfect. You are ready for the next goal. And goal number 6. Yellow edges to the right place. We have our yellow cross and now we have to get the yellow edges to the right place. Goal number 7. Yellow corners on their places. First we have to get them to the right spot, so don't worry about the orientation in this step. Find one corner piece that is in the right place. The orientation doesn't matter. If you found one, then reorient the cube in your hands, so the specific piece is on the gray piece position, and perform the formula. In some cases you have to execute it twice. So if there is no yellow corner on the right spot, then first do the algorithm to reorganize the corners, and then look around again. There must be a good one this time.